Hello! I'm going to show you how to clear the Fog of War map fast in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's uncover the map as quickly as possible. First, don't focus on races. Instead, start driving through roads and unexplored areas because the Fog of War only clears when you physically visit new locations. Alright, instead of driving randomly, follow the edges of each region first, then work your way through the middle. This helps you uncover more of the map without constantly backtracking. As you explore, you'll automatically reveal new events, activities, and fast travel locations. You'll also earn XP and credits for clearing portions of each region, and you don't even need to uncover every single road. Most regions become fully revealed once you've explored roughly 70 to 80% of them. If you need to move across the map, remember that you can only fast travel to roads you've already discovered, so keep revealing new routes whenever possible. And that's how you clear the Fog of War map fast in Forza Horizon 6.